3D Matt here with another video for everyone. I was doing metal siding on my garage not long ago. I found that using a square and trying to make reference marks for the corners on the drip edge could be challenging at times. Trying to get the square to make an accurate 45-degree reference mark wasn't always spot on. I tend to be picky. I like having those tight edges with no gaps for a clean final finish. So instead of having to adjust my square every time, I decided to make up a template that I could 3D print. For this, I'm using my Bambu Lab X1 Carbon. I already had the measurements written down for the profile of the drip edge, so next was making a template in AutoCAD. It only took me about 5 minutes to create this model. Once the profile was done, I then made 45-degree angles on the ends for the template. Then was slicing the model and deleting those portions I didn't need. Here's a view once it's all done. It's then exported as a lithography file in order for the 3D printing program to read it. It's imported into Bambu Lab Studio program. For this I'm using PETG. It might be overkill for the application, but I wanted to get some practice in using this material. Finally, it's putting it to the test. As you can see, I have a piece of trim that needs to be cut, and we'll see how the reference marks work out. The template is then installed onto the drip edge trim. I then used a marker to make the line where it needs to be cut. The final line is drawn where I'm required to make a bend. Next is cutting the trim. Once done, here you can see the final fit. I'm quite happy with the results, and this certainly made my job much easier. This was my first time installing steel siding, so this was certainly a learning experience. This concludes the rest of my video. If you enjoyed it, please leave a comment below and throw a like my way. Thanks for watching.